Hey, we got a Wuhan video. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you the main pedestrian street, and I did show it in a previous video, two previous videos. I think they were number 1 and 2. This is number 10 out of 18, but I'm going to show you the map of this pedestrian street first, so that's going to be behind me. And this is kind of the main artery of Wuhan. And I'm going to be showing it a little bit early in the evening so you can get an idea of what it looks like before the lights go down. It's just about to go down right about this time period. And what else to say? This is number 10 out of 18. So that means I'm a little bit over halfway through with putting up Wuhan. If you look down below, you'll see the other 9 links to the other videos that I've done of Wuhan as well. You can go back, you can check it out more late at night at 1 and 2 of the 10 videos that are now up. And that also means that I have another 8 more to go up. So subscribe if you want to see some more Wuhan as well. So okay, let's get into it first. Now we're gonna do a music video, where I just play some music background, and then you'll see that, and then I'll do the walk and talk, where I go through with the camera and I talk it all out with you on the camera. Anyways, here we go. Wuhan, the main pedestrian street, the main artery. Let's go see it. Kind of a cool little contraption over there. Let's walk over that way briefly, and then we're going to come back the other way. I think that's just for lottery tickets. Yeah, it is for lottery tickets. Okay, so we're going to just stroll down our main pedestrian street here. See all that we can see. And we're also going to see some period pieces as well. We're going to walk by our... There's some period pieces over there. So I think this little tourist area up here. So we're going to keep on walking down that straight, but we're also just kind of checking out all the different stuff everywhere as well. I think this one looks like something you'd see out of Japan. More stores. Now we got all of our people. So I'm also kind of looking for like interesting period pieces where people are dressed up in maybe Hanfu or different kind, or even performers. And we're going to see some performers coming up, by the way. I don't know what that game is, but I've been seeing them play that game quite a bit in different places. Kind of got some European architecture in here too. like we're safe to go by. No, we got a red light. So I'm gonna walk right into the people because it's the most interesting. Gonna hear a lot of people with horn honking. So usually there's a lot of pedestrian streets that come by here as well. Okay. Summer disco KTV. Lots of shops in here too. Department stores. I'm holding a little GoPro camera, so there are people like streaming. A lot of people stream in China, and they're using their iPhones or just some kind of phone device. So I'm actually using a GoPro camera, and I noticed that not many people are using anything except their phones. So I've been having a lot of people looking at my GoPro camera out of curiosity and such. So we're gonna open up into a bigger space here in a moment. Kind of European-ish. Zara is over there as well. Lots of people everywhere in here. Lights are coming down, which is what I wanted. Oh, there's a streamer right there. So there's a lot of streamers right here, so that's a streamer right there. So you can also scan his code and see what he's streaming about. And I think you pay money for them as well. Like you can, so we'll probably see more streamers later. It's a lot of interesting stuff everywhere in here. It's hard to know even where to put the camera. It's like you got so much interesting stuff everywhere. Okay, so what we're gonna do is come across a little bit back into our main street. I think I might be the only foreigner that I've seen on this street. Which makes me wonder, where do other foreigners go? Okay, so I'm gonna walk right in the middle. The reason I do it oh, she just said hello. The reason I walk into the middle is because it's better for the film camera. So if you walk into the crowd, people have to go around you, but then you have all you can see what people look like. I don't really like to be walking in behind somebody more than I have to anyways. So we're gonna see some performers up here as well. I came in last night and I saw the street last night. And it was pretty cool. So I'm going to film it tonight as well because I will be leaving Wuhan for Chengdu tomorrow. Okay. Kind of cool though. I do like the fashion, it's kind of interesting. Okay, so we actually have a green light, which means I want to hurry up a little bit and try to get over there. Let's see if I can. Made it. So now we're getting into, ran through the red light there. I guess I'm in the red light. That light turned on me halfway through. I guess it didn't have a blinking red, or I was walking too slow. I don't know. Oh, we got tons of people up in here. So way down is the European area, but right up here we got something really cool. That's kind of cool. So this is the station right there, and then you got also the performers up at the top. And I'm gonna walk down a little bit more. I kinda don't want to turn my camera around, but I guess I should. Originally I was gonna go all the way down, but I think instead what I'm gonna do is another performer right up there too. And I guess those are gold shops. It's kind of interesting though, because you have all these spectators hanging out in this area. Pretty cool. So there's a little slice of Wuhan, and you know what? I think I'm going to end it right here. And I'm going to do a separate video and film the other part of the street.